So when you're working with any kind of custom trim like this, you're probably going to run into a lot of different nail holes. Here we're working on a ceiling crown from an old 1900s house. It's super intricate, and so what you want to do is you want to grab your spackle and fill those nail holes with your finger. So usually the most precise way to do it, in my opinion, grab a little bit more here and make sure you smooth out that spackle so that it's easy to sand, and we continue the process onwards, just like that.